Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Okay, today I would like to show you these are the tools that you are going to use during your first project, which is lettering. Okay, as I mentioned before, you must have 5 items, which is number 1, this is masking tape to tape your drawings onto your tables. Number 2 is set square. Okay, these are the set square. There are various type of set square, but still using the same degree. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, next is set of pencils. Okay, from 2H, this one 2H until 8B. Okay, so it represents the thickness of the pencil itself. Okay, like 2H is lighter, and then 8B is more darken. It will be darken your drawing, your lines, everything that you have drawn. Okay, and also you must have eraser and also sharpener. Okay, next is this one is T-square. Okay, I have 2 types of T-square. One is the wooden one, and another one is a plastic one. Okay, the plastic one is shortened compared to the wooden one. Okay, for the plastic one, you can use up to A3 size of paper. Okay, while the wooden one is up to A1 type of paper, because the length of the ruler, the T-square, is until 105 meters. Okay, I still keep my T-square. Okay, because this one is like an asset for me. Okay, because this is I used to use this one during my diploma times. Okay, and this one A3 type of T-square is up to 60 centimeter. Okay, it's shortened. Okay, lastly is your drawing paper. There's various type of drawing paper. One is 165 GSM, which is this one is more thickened compared to another one, because okay, you can see this one, but mostly the drawing block or drawing table is also the same, but it's only different based on the size itself. Like this one, A3 is the combination of 2 sides of A4 papers, right? Okay, so mostly we are going to use A3, and if we have a face-to-face project, so that we can use A1. So because we have a limited of space, so that we only use A3. Okay, I will discuss further on this type. Okay, this one is T-square, which is have different type of degree. Okay, angles. Okay, so examples, this one is used for 90-degree angles, right? Like this one, for this type of T-square, it look like triangle. The completely in a good shape of triangle. Okay, this one 90-degree, and for this both side here is 45 degree, right? And this one. Okay. For another one, you can see the difference, okay? The similar is the 90 degree of angles, this one. But the difference is this one is 30 degree, right? You can see the comparison. Okay, this quite bigger compared to this one. So this one is 30 degree angles. It's used if you want to do a 30 degree drawing, like this one is 60 degree of drawings. Okay, you can see the difference. Okay. This one bigger compared to this one, right? So this is a 60 degree. Alright guys, this is the first tutorial in using your technical tools. Okay, first of all, I would like to say that this is your first, I believe that this is the first experience that you have using this kind of tools. Maybe some students have experienced it during your secondary school, which is you are using in technical drawing, lukisan kejuruteraan. Okay, so or as maybe you have been in diploma, right? You have been exposed with the technical tools. Alright, the first step that we have need to do is to prepare your tools. Number one is you need to prepare tools, which is pencils. As you can see, this is a 2H pencils, this one, and this one is 5B. Okay, the reason why I use 2H and 5B is 2H to do your construction line and 5B is to do your drawing line. Basically, for the beginners, they will draw a construction line first and then they will trace back using the proper pencils, which is using 5B, right? Then we are using the T-square, which is most probably we are going to use this angle 90 degree eraser to erase the mistakes lines or any unused line, masking tape to tape your drawing papers, and also your T-square, because T-square you have this kind of leaf and edge to put on top of your drawing tables. Okay, first of all, I'll let you know that I don't have any drawing tables, but I will use my existing tables, which is I have a quite a proper parallel, or I can say that this is a steep lines, steep edge of drawing tables. Okay. All right. We go our first step, which is you have to use your T-square and drawing table properly. Okay. As this is the most important step, because if you don't care to do this step properly, then the rest of your drawing will be off. Okay. What I'm going to do is to measure the arbitrary distance from the edge here on top of your drawing tables, and also to do the margin border lines. Okay, because for your drawing papers you must have your border lines. Okay, as you can see that inside the assignment brief, I have instruct you to reserve a 10mm or 1 cm of margin space of drawing lines for your borders. Okay, So how to use it? That you have to place up your drawing paper on top of your T-square. Make sure that your T-square is fit to your drawing tables, because you are going to lift up your T-square. This is the function of the T-square, because you are going to lift up, lift down, and also you are going to use on top of the drawing tables to lift it up right to the left. Okay. Okay. Make sure that your drawing tables are parallel to your T-square. Okay, is 180 degree of angles. Okay, take off your masking tape. Only small piece of masking tape that you're going to use for every corner of your drawing papers. Make sure that it fit to your drawing tables, and then put off your masking tape. Okay, this one angles, right? And then we are going to use to measure another one here, and put another one at the corner. Make sure that you put your masking tape only at the small edge of your drawing tables. Drawing papers, because later on you are going to do your lines inside the drawing papers. You are not going to put your line on top of the masking tape. Okay, that's why I put it only a small piece of this edge. Okay. You can place your drawing papers on top of your drawing tables. Okay. Another information is actually T-square also you are going to use during your tracing. Okay, you are going to trace using a technical pen. Some of the tricks is that you put some coin under the drawing T-square, because we are not going to make some mistake, or when you want to draw a drawing line using technical pen, is going to blur or is going to absorb into your or stick into your drawing tables, drawing paper. Sorry. Okay, that's why you are going to put a coin under it. But for pencils, it doesn't matter. No need to put it. Okay, like I said, there is a 10 millimeter or 1 centimeters of the margin, so that you have to use this kind of set squares. Okay, put your set squares on top of your T-square. Make it sit on the top of your T-square, and because your set square are going to lift right and left of your drawing papers. Okay, this is the function of the T-square and also the set square. This make you more easy to use the tools. Okay, for example, you are going to mark 10 millimeters using dot. You are not going to do a line first, but you are going to do the dot first. Okay, measure 10 millimeters. I put a dot here. I put one here, or maybe you can put another one here. Make sure that make sure that you are facing directly towards your drawing papers. Okay, because you are going to see it like an bird eye view of your drawing. Okay, 10. Okay. Another one is 10. And at the bottom you also use 10. Okay, you have 4 dotted here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can use straight away the T-square, 2 line. Okay, number 1. Make sure that when you are going to line it, you are standing directly towards your drawing tables, because we are not going to have a mistake of doing mistake lines. Okay. Okay. Then you can use T-square. And set squares. Put it on top of the papers. Okay. Just lift up your set squares and do the line. There you go. So you have 10 millimeters of margin. And then if let's say that you are going to trace back using 5B, okay, just erase the unwanted lines outside. Okay. Okay, just trace it back. This is for beginners. If you are expert and you have a skills on arts, so you can use directly straight away the 5B.